Have you seen videos with people showing you a chart similar to this, but you have no idea what the hell it's for? Stick with me till the end of this video. I'm going to break down every step and tell you what it is, why it's helpful, and how it can help you make money. And just in case we haven't met before, hi, my name is Dave. I'm 40 years old and I spent most of my life working in a manufacturing company, more specifically a foundry. So I know all about hard manual labor, long hours, and forced overtime, even on the weekends. Just about a year ago, I finally decided that that was enough and explored an option on ways to make money online from home, and I stumbled across digital marketing. This business model has made it possible for me to earn an additional 5 figures and counting right from home in my spare time. Now for the good stuff. I'm going to flip the camera around and we're going to talk about that chart I showed you in the beginning of this video. First, we're going to start off with traffic sources, as you can see right here. These are all popular, common ones that you know and love. Now, when you're just starting out, you're going to want to pick the one that you're most comfortable and familiar with and make that your main focus. Once you get more comfortable with the process, then you can start branching out to more and more platforms. Now, when you're on these platforms and you're creating your content, you're going to be driving people towards an opt-in page. This is just a real basic, simple web page that collects a name and an email address from anybody who is interested in whatever product or service that you happen to be promoting. Once your potential client or customer puts in their information, it's going to direct them to what's called a bridge page. Now, the bridge page just connects the dots between you and the actual company that you're promoting. A proper bridge page will have a call to action, which tells somebody to click a button to get to the actual page of the company that they're promoting. That call to action button most likely will have your affiliate link, and that's how this company knows how to pay you a commission every time somebody makes a purchase. Now, you may be asking what all of those little blue dots on the bottom of that flowchart were for, and that's because you can actually integrate this to a robotic conversion system that will send out automatic emails to the people who are interested in your product or service that you're promoting. You can also put your affiliate link in there because not everybody will make a purchase the first time they see something. If you have this automatic system in place, you could send out a sequence of emails with your affiliate link inside. And depending on how long you run your sequence for, you could get a commission months or even years down the road. If you found this helpful, make sure you tap the heart, follow me for more information, and if you want to learn how to do this too, let me know in the comment section.